Earn $50 per hour typing what you hear. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we're going to have a look at in today's video. How you can earn up to $50 per hour or even more by typing what you hear. And this is going to be easy for beginners, so all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, internet marketing related tips and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, this is going to be a quick one, so make sure you stick around and watch the whole thing so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunity here, so if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But for now, let's get started to make some extra money with this opportunity, to be more precise, up to $50 plus per hour by typing what we hear. Let's get started. Okay, so the opportunity that we are going to do is actually being a transcriptionist, and we are going to a site called dailytranscription.com. dailytranscription.com, and let's have a look at it here. When we arrive to the site, you can clearly see that it is a popular site, being trusted by many popular companies here like ABC, Bank of America, etc. So what we are interested in actually is go straight up to the section where it says careers. Okay, so you can see here the careers. Join the daily transcription team. We are excited that you're interested in one of our openings. Daily Transcription provides services to entertainment, corporate and legal industries, as well to academic institutions. So you have the flexibility, you create your own work schedule, of course, you work where and whenever you want, assignments come to you and you get paid weekly. We pay higher rates than our competitors. They also mention some other companies here. We're going to have a look at Rev and Transcribe Me later on here also. But look at this, they pay actually up to 85 cents per audio minute. So if I fire up the calculator here, let me see, there you have it. So if we go to 85 and 60 minutes, are actually $51 per transcribed hour that we can make here. So there you have it on how you can make $50 plus per hour. There is definitely more opportunities, but I'm going to share with you that later on here. So stick around, and we can see that you will actually receive training, feedback and coaching, of course. Spend more time with the family. They don't guarantee, of course, a specific amount of work per day, but the top transcriptionists, they make anywhere from 250 up to 950 per week, which is definitely not bad at all. What they are looking for is stay-at-home mothers, fathers, students, part-time teachers, riders, or anyone who wants to supplement their income. You must be a highly detailed individual who is committed to perfection. So how you get started, we can have a look at a few of the FAQ here as well. So they tell you exactly what you have to do. They welcome professionals. You need to have typing skills for at least 50 words per minute. So you can quickly test that out by go to typingtest.com, and you can do your test here and see how fast you can type there also. The equipment should have a dependable computer with internet, of course, transcription software such as Transcribe online, and a pair of good headphones. They will provide you, of course, with the software here. You definitely need a pair of good headphones and a foot pedal is not required, but they do recommend you so you can actually transcribe faster also. They provide you with the training, and you can have a look at the details here actually for yourself. Just go to dailytranscription.com/careers, and of course you type in here for transcriptionist, so you fill in the application and you will follow the instructions there also. Now there is more sites of course, and we are talking about Revcom. So if you go to the section where it says freelancers, you can see here create a flexible work schedule, choose from hundreds of jobs, you get paid weekly via PayPal also. And the cool thing is that you can actually apply here for more than just being a transcriptionist. It means that you can actually be a captioner, captioning videos for example. So by having a quick look at the calculator again, let me see if I can fire up it here. Calculator, there you have it. So if you go to 65 cents per 60 minutes, you can actually make 39. But you can see here as a captioner, let's go again. Let's clear this up. If you go to 75 cents per 60 minutes, oops, I'm sorry, it should be 45 actually. So let's do it again. 75 cents per 60, there you have it. $45 per hour for captioning, okay? And then there is also actually, if you know a foreign language, you can apply for subtitler also. So here you have 3 opportunities to make money, so it's not only transcriptionist as well. Then there is also transcribeme.com. There's definitely more sites, but I just bring up 3, which is probably the most popular, okay? So you can clearly see that they pay $15 to $22 per hour. Means that you're probably going to make less, but you might get more jobs and opportunities here. So transcribeme.com, you can have a look at the details here for yourself. Now a good tip would definitely be, of course, to sign up for all the 3 sites and even more as a transcriptionist, because you just can't wait for one site to send you jobs on a consistent basis, okay? So make sure you sign up for all the 3 and even more if possible, so you will have more consistent job as a transcriptionist. Now, as I said in the beginning, you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunities. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. If you got some value of this video, make sure you hit the like button. You'll find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more. Make sure you hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.